Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Cjspokenenglish. Okay, so English is a language and this is the most important way. Okay, so English ta ko hame sikhiba jaruri nowadays is this most important. Okay, so which person are watching my video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, every day if we practice in English, definitely we can speak in English. Okay, English just like a language. If we practice every day, we can speak very fluently. Okay, so look at the blackboard carefully. I am going to translate it. Okay, so look carefully. So यहाँ को छाड़ी दियो. Okay, यहाँ को छाड़ी दियो. Suppose यहाँ को छाड़ी दियो. यहाँ को छाड़ी दियो. Leave it. यहाँ को छाड़ी दियो. Leave it. Okay. एठारे अपेक्षा करो. एठारे अपेक्षा करो. Wait here. Okay. एठारे अपेक्षा करो. Wait here. बहुत भलो. के भलो किसी गोटे करूथिबो से जते भलो करलाम कोन वेल डन. क्या बोलते हैं? वेल डन. बहुत भलो. वेल डन. Okay. बहुत भलो. वेल डन. Well done. Well done. Okay. Well done. केते साइज? केते साइज? What size you need? केते साइज दरकार? Like your केते साइज? Suppose तुम को ड्रेस किने को जीवो कि गोटे किछ कपड़ा किने जो कोन पछारबो? What size? केते साइज? Okay. केते साइज? केते साइज? What size? पूरा इजी. What size? What size? एठा को आस. Common day to day daily हम यूज करबा. एठा को आस. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. एठा को आस. Come here. बोलो. Repeat with me. Come here. एठा को आस. Come here. Okay. So come here. Say here. Say here. Who is he? Say here. Who is he? यदि स्त्री लोग ना गर्ल्स है था सर who is she? इसका okay. Say here. Who is he? तुम्हें समझते. Okay. जो हमें देखो समझते आसा all of you come. तुम्हें समझते all of you. तुम्हें समझते. Okay. All of you. तुम्हें समझते. All of you. Okay. All of you. घरे रहो. Stay at home. Okay. Sorry. घरे रहो. Stay at home. Okay. घरे रहो. Stay at home. Stay at home. बोलो. Stay at home. घरे रहो. Stay at home. सावधान. Be careful. Careful. Okay. क्या बोलते हैं? Be careful. सतर्क रहो. बा सावधान रहो. Be careful. Okay. Be careful. जे कौनसी लोकों को पछार. जे कौनसी लोकों को पछार यूज कर गोड़े केमती. जे कौनसी लोकों को पछार. जे कौनसी लोकों को पछार. इट मीन्स आस्क. कौन करिवो? आस्क एनीवन. आस्क एनीवन. जे कौनसी लोकों को पछार. देखो जे कौनसी लोकों को पछार. पछार कौन? आस्क. जे कौनसी लोक. एनीवन. जे कौनसी लोकों को पछार. आस्क एनीवन. Okay. So यहाँ को छाड़ी दिया. Leave it. ताहा को छाड़ी दिया. Leave that. एठारे अपेक्षा करो. Wait here. सेठारे अपेक्षा करो. Wait there. बहुत भलो करिचो. बहुत भलो करिचो. Well done. बहुत भलो करिचो. Well done. Okay. Then केते size? What size? Question. Okay. What size? Okay. एठा को आसा come here से किए who is he तमे समस्ते all of you घरे रुह stay at home सावधान रुह be careful जे कौन सी लोगों को पचार ask anyone. Okay, so every day if we practice like this we can speak very fluently. Okay, so look at the blackboard carefully. Okay, so repeat again with me. So just को छाड़ी दिया leave it. Okay, एठारे अपेक्षा करो wait here बहुत भलो करिछो well done एग्जाम रे जम भलो कर दो एग्जाम के भलो करिछो well done चलते well done एठा को आस come here केते size what size you need. Okay, you can say what size you need, what size do you want, केते size तो दरकार. Okay, like this you can use apply every day. If you practice like this you can speak very fluently. English like a language. Okay, practice is the important. Say किए who is he तमे समस्ते all of you तमे समस्ते आसो all of you come घरे रुह stay at home सावधान रुह be careful बोलो be careful सावधान रुह be careful जे कौन सी लोगों को पछारा ask anyone. Okay, every day if you practice definitely you can speak English very fluently. So look at the blackboard once more. I am repeat it. Okay, याको छाड़ी दिया leave it. एठारे अपेक्षा करो wait here. एठारे अपेक्षा करो wait here. बहुत भलो करिछो well done. तो बोलते हैं well done. केते size what size. एठाको आसा come here. Say here who is he तमे समस्त all of you घरे रुह stay at home सावधान रुह be careful जे कौन सी लोगों को पछार ask anyone. You ask anyone about me, like you can say you ask anyone about him. Okay, like you can use and practice. Okay, and you can speak very fluently. So bye, see you next video. जो मन को वीडियो भल लगे लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करंदु. ओके.